Blessed Sunday, everyone! Hello guys, today's video we are going to Notre Dame de Lourdes Sanctuary of Rigu. Time check, it's 8:15 in the morning and the mass started at 9 and it's 40 minutes drive from Montreal. Anong panin? Confess na.
Santa Maria, Ina ng Diyos, panalangin mo kaming makasalanan.
Hindi ka kulilang. Hindi ka nakaulay. Hindi ka nakaulay.
Napandakit ko, mapandakit.
Ano to? Di mo bukas.
Pinagpala naman ang iyong anak na si
Good morning! Blessed Sunday!
Santa Maria, Ina ng Diyos, ipanalangin mo kaming makasalanan, ngayon at napupuno ka ng grasya. Ang Panginoong Diyos ay sumasa iyo. Bukod kang pinagpala sa babaeng lahat at pinagpala naman ang iyong anak na si Jesus. Santa Maria, Aba, Ginoong Maria, napupuno ka ng grasya. Ang Panginoong Diyos ay sumasa iyo. Bukod kang ng Diyos, ipanalangin mo kaming makasalanan, ngayon at kung kami ay mamamatay. Amen. Luwalhati sa Ama at sa Anak at sa Espiritu Santo. Kapara noong unang-una, ngayon.
Saint Michael the Archangel, defend us in battle. Be our protection against the wickedness and snares of the devil. May God rebuke him, we humbly pray. And do thou, O Prince of the heavenly host, by the power of God, cast into hell Satan and all evil spirits who wander through the world seeking the ruin of souls. Amen. Bye.
Bye.
See you again. Bye. Have a nice day.
Advocata nostra, Dios tuo, misericordias
So after the Holy Mass, we decided to come and walk around here at Baywalk, St. Andrew. Hotel, the Bellevue.
Sa kalsada.
At least makapili-pili na tayo. Doon tayo.
Malalim dito. Oh, so it's higher here than at home. So,
Lunchtime here at Annie's Restaurant.
pero ang bibilis. Kumain na. October 4.
Manong tayo.
Yung mas magandang ganyan. Malasak.
Yung aragola na yelo?
Hindi ah. Ganyan yung tanong.
Ay, patay. Ako yung ito, wala ka naman na.
Trip ka na di ba?
So you don't want to touch it, or you want to touch it, but they burn themselves. Please don't.
Careful.
And you have your tortillas in there to make your wraps. You got everything. Beautiful.
Thank you.
See everyone. Yung dalawa pa lang nag-cook. Yung salad is already.
Alan?
Kuya Ling, ayaw naman.
Yung dalawa, plana.
Kanan.
Thank you for watching. May God bless us everyone.